Hi everyone, this is Ms. Visha Hussain. Let's get started with the introductory session of financial management, which is previously known as F9. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you that you've progressed onto this level of your ACCA journey. Financial management is a course that is designed to give you the knowledge and skills expected of a finance manager, which means knowledge related to investment, finance, and dividend decisions. These are the three main areas that we are going to be studying, and these are the three main areas in which your whole syllabus has been broken down. What is the objective of financial management? So, the objective of financial management is to develop the knowledge and skills that are required to make financial decisions in a business environment. Major emphasis on understanding the key aspects of financial management includes sources of finance, managing working capital, investment decisions, and risk management. This is your course syllabus overview. Financial management function, financial management environment, these two topics are majorly theoretical. Working capital management, investment appraisal, business finance, cost of capital, business valuation, risk management, these are more of conceptual topics. So we will be doing a lot of past paper practice. We will be doing a lot of kit practice. And if you are comparing this course outline with your BPP or your Kaplan book, then the topics may differ. Like majority of the topics would be the same, but there may be some other names of the topic other than financial management function and financial management environment. But do not worry, I am going to be covering each and everything in this course. Now, the key learning outcomes. First of all, by the end of this course, you should be able to understand the role and purpose of financial management within an organization. You should be able to analyze the financial performance and position of a company. You should be able to make informed investment and financing decisions, and you should be able to apply principles of working capital management. Furthermore, you should also be able to evaluate and manage financial risks where needed. A lot of students ask me that, ma'am, how is financial management related to any of the papers in ACCA? So, financial accounting, which is F3, gives you a basic accounting principles understanding. Basic accounting concepts are being discussed in that. That creates a bit of a foundation for this paper. F7 financial reporting expands on financial statements and reporting, and in that paper, you also do some ratios which also link with this paper. P4 or Advanced Financial Management is the advanced paper of this financial management. So, advanced version of financial management is Advanced Financial Management. So, a lot of students who want to appear for P4 later on should be studying very seriously in this paper, because this is going to create the basic grounds for you to be able to understand the bigger concepts that you will be studying in advanced financial management. Now, what is the role of a financial manager? So, the role of a financial manager includes evaluating potential projects and deciding whether to allocate capital in a certain project or not. Also, choosing the best funding source. You know that there are various funding sources, but majorly we can account them under two headings: equity and debt. So, in a certain scenario, should equity finance be used or should debt finance be used? A finance manager should be able to identify that. dividend decisions, managing the distribution of profits to shareholders. A finance manager should know when to pay the dividend and how much to pay the dividend. For example, if a company is already in a liquidity crisis and the finance manager is literally distributing dividends like anything, then definitely if the company were to liquidate at the end of the year, they might end up liquidating in the third quarter or in the second quarter of the year. So all of that needs to be well understood and well analyzed by a finance manager. What are the career opportunities in finance areas that will um, basically help you um, after you study your financial management paper? So you can go for a financial analyst role, you can go for a finance manager role. Definitely, initially, after doing ACCA without experience, definitely nobody is going to give you a finance manager role. But over the years, the knowledge that you take from financial management is going to help you when you go in different finance roles: investment manager, risk manager, and eventually CFO. But for the CFO, you may also have to make an extra effort, um, that after ACCA, you can also take the path of CFA. And for that, if you ever want to go for CFA, or if you ever want to keep that side of things open for you, it's best that after your um, knowledge based and skill based papers, when you go towards your advanced papers, your professional papers, go for P4, that is Advanced Financial Management. So a good combination would be AAA and AFM, which will help you later on if you ever want to do CFA. What is the assessment structure? So the exam format includes 3 sections. Section A is 15 objective test questions, OTQs. Section B is 3 case questions, each with 5 OTQs, or you can initially say Section A is MCQs, Section B is OTQs, and Section C is 2 constructed response questions, longer questions, in which you will have to show full-fledged workings, and you may also have to write answers theoretically. So you should be well versed with theory, as well as your concepts should also be clear. What are the study tips for financial management? Understanding the concepts is the most important. Without focusing on understanding the principles, you will not be able to perform financial management. And if your basics are not strong and at a later stage you want to perform AFM, you will have to probably revise each and everything again when you go for AFM, or you won't be able to understand anything that you're doing in AFM, which is why this is the basic paper for AFM. If you want to do AFM, you need to really understand all of the concepts in financial management very well. But even for financial management itself, if you want to pass this paper in the first attempt, you need to have strong basics. Practice questions. You need to regularly practice past papers. You know that ACCA is no more easy. With time, ACCA is becoming tougher, and you need to regularly practice past papers or kit questions. Time management with practice, when we do more and more practice, you will be able to manage your time. Definitely, initially, when you do your first question alone for investment appraisal or for WAC or for working capital management, you will take some time. But eventually, as you practice more and more questions, you will be able to manage your time. Also, try to link theoretical concepts with real life financial decisions. For example, whatever we study in financial management relating to investment, you can also start investment in stocks or any other areas, and you can link them with your real life financial decisions as well. So, this was the introduction to financial management. And after this, we will be starting off with the introduction to the financial management function. So, I am going to share the notes with you. Read chapter 1 of your study material means that whatever notes I provide you, just read those so that you come prepared. Also, if you want to ask any questions, you can ask me right now or you can ask me over WhatsApp. So, feel free to ask me any questions if there are any. Otherwise, you have my WhatsApp number. You can message me over WhatsApp. Thank you.